It tastes really fresh. It's so good. Oh man, that tofu food truck is really good.
The chili, bro.
It's fucking good. I'm fucking in love. The food is so good.
That is good. The sauce is really good.
That is delicious. Wow.
Oh wow, so good. Delicious.
Can you give me a rate from 1 to 10 for this food?
11.
11.
Definitely 11. Yeah, no, it's really good. We really
Yeah.
like it. Yeah.
Tahu gejrot adalah kuliner khas Cirebon yang berasal dari daerah pesisir Jawa Barat. Hidangan ini terdiri dari tahu goreng yang dipotong kecil, lalu disiram kuah gula merah, cuka, bawang, dan cabai. Nama gejrot berasal dari bunyi saat kuah dituangkan atau dicampur ke dalam tahu. Rasanya yang manis, asam, pedas, dan segar membuat tahu gejrot cepat populer di seluruh Indonesia. Di vlog kita kali ini, kita akan saksikan reaksi dari turis mancanegara ketika mereka pertama kali mencicipi salah satu kuliner kaki lima yang paling terkenal di kota Cirebon. Kali ini kita akan kuliner tahu gejrot khas Cirebon ditemani oleh turis cantik asal Amerika yang selalu mengidolakan kuliner Indonesia. Bagaimana reaksinya ketika menyantap kuliner tahu gejrot? Langsung kita simak videonya.
Little snack, tahu gejrot. Ah, look at that. Doesn't that look so delicious? And it's topped with a lot of onions, and there's some spices in here. Was it the chili? And then it looks like very spongy looking, the texture. Oh man, that tahu food truck is really good. The sauce, you have a little sweetness, a little sourness, and a little spice to it. Oh. Making it a perfect Indonesian snack. Oh. The texture of the tofu is perfect. It's spongy, but also a little crispy on the outside. And then you can taste all the sauce that's soaked in the tofu, making it so much more delicious.
Tahu gejrot banyak diminati karena memiliki tekstur unik, renyah di bagian luar, namun lembut dan juicy di bagian dalam. Sehingga rasa kuah yang asam, manis, dan pedasnya terasa di setiap gigitan.
Oh yeah, it tastes really fresh. It's so good.
And it's my first car video actually.
Kita bertemu dengan bule Turki yang cinta terhadap kuliner Indonesia, yang hobinya berkeliling Nusantara hanya untuk mencicipi beragam kuliner Indonesia.
From food, not for run. But I'm still good. If next time I came, I will come more properly to get more Indonesian food. But can get more experience to get more food and to be more like Indo local. So it's ready already.
Gejrot.
Gejrot.
Yeah.
Okay. So what has been gejrot?
Gejrot is
You make here.
Yes.
Oh, this is gejrot.
Yeah.
It's skewered.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Makasih. Let me try. Then we're gonna decide it. What actually it makes sense.
Kan caranya jangan digubrak.
First bite tahu gejrot.
Oh my god. I never eat this, bro. Oh my god. The spice is yelling.
Oh, but how's the smell?
So spicy.
Oh, it's just spicy?
It's fucking spicy. It's fucking spicy, dude.
So just get rid of the chili, and
It's
then
okay.
just make sure you eat with the soup and then the stuff.
Okay. I will try. I love it. So good.
You really like it?
I love it. It's fucking good.
The chili, bro. Oh, wait, like where's my water? Hold up.
Oh my god. I'm fucking in love. The food is so good. The taste So this is actually how it looks. So tasty.
Here, if you need butter.
I love it. Mantap kak. Mantap.
Thank you.
It's really mantap.
Tahu gejrot mudah ditemukan di berbagai kota besar di Indonesia. Makanan ini termasuk kuliner tradisional yang masih bertahan hingga kini.
Tahu gejrot, which is a tofu. So gejrot, which is you skewer, right?
Gejrot.
Okay, it's nice. Is that peanut sauce inside? I
No.
don't know.
No.
Out, like many food with a pieces the peanut sauce, even satay peanut sauce.
There's
Ketoprak,
garlic.
peanut sauce.
Yeah. There's garlic and shallots.
That's so good after you run. Oh, I think this is the healthiest food.
Yeah, it is healthy.
This is the fucking healthiest food I see.
Yeah, it is healthy.
Like people they eat bakso in this time, bro. In this time, like sate padang, I see how they eat. That's the culture shock.
Yeah, but we eat good breakfast ya. Bubur, ketoprak, tahu gejrot, good breakfast.
Mantap. How to say I like it? Bagus.
Aku suka.
Aku suka.
Aku
Tofu gajrot.
Oh my god.
Jenis tahu yang digunakan biasanya adalah tahu pong. Tahu pong memiliki bagian dalam yang kosong setelah digoreng dan sangat cocok untuk menyerap kuah.
I mean too much, but it's good. No smell. I'm really worried about this smell. Why should we smell?
Biasa tahu gejrot.
This is my first. Will come more, I'm sure, until I get the smell one.
Yeah. You know, like when I was a kid, I don't like tahu gejrot because I thought it smells like fart.
Really?
Yeah, it smells like fart to me when I was a kid. And then I grew up and then I'm obsessed with tahu gejrot. I like the smell.
It's so good.
So that's why I was shocked when you like it. It's like, are you really like it? Because
I
it smells
love
like
it.
fart.
I love it. It was so good.
All right, guys. Jar has come through with round number 3.
Surprise, a surprise round 3.
Yeah, this is
Tahu gejrot.
tahu gejrot.
Kita kembali dengan pasangan turis yang hobi traveling. Kali ini, mereka akan mencoba tahu gejrot untuk yang pertama kalinya.
It's in a sauce, and it's typical light snack.
Javanese.
West Javanese.
food.
Okay, so round 3, I can get involved, and you want to go as well?
Let's see that.
All right, let me give it a go. Oh, cool.
Wow.
The sauce, you know, you gotta make it this. So all of the sauce are a little bit spicy.
That
or
is
maybe
so. Oh, it's spicy, but not really spicy.
Yeah.
We had meat at Bangladesh earlier today. It's okay. This is delicious.
Wow.
Yeah,
Right.
eat the whole like that, so you
Oh,
can feel the
Really
taste of the sauce,
flavorful.
you know?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going for the whole thing, guys.
That is the
Yeah,
sauce is really good.
sauce.
Your face.
Yeah.
That is delicious. Wow.
Pasangan ini suka dengan tahu gejrot, terutama sausnya. Itu karena saus tahu gejrot kaya rasa. Ada asam, manis, dan pedas. Suatu kombinasi unik yang lezat.
There we get it all in there.
Okay. How to say Tuhu Gujrat. Yeah.
No,
See,
Taho,
I can't
Taho,
remember.
Gujrat. This one.
Tuhu Gujrat.
Gujrat.
Yeah, Gujrat.
Taho Gujrat.
Yeah, Tuhu
Taho
Gujrat.
Gujrat.
It's also pretty hard pronunciation at the end, Gujrat, because they put it G
Gujrat.
and R and O T.
Yeah. Tuhu Gujrat. Gujrat.
Gujrat.
Gujrat.
Kita punya teman-teman baru dan mereka masih SMA. What's your name?
Luna,
Luna. Where you from, Luna?
France.
And you?
Anouk.
Sorry?
Anouk.
Anouk. Also
Yes.
from
France.
France.
Teman-teman cantik kita kali ini dari Prancis. Apakah mereka akan jatuh cinta dengan tahu gejrot?
Can you say that?
Say it again.
Ya, tahu gejrot.
Tahu gejrot.
Tahu
Tahu
gejrot.
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 Say it. No, I don't know.
Tahu gejrot.
Tahu gejrot.
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 Yeah. Try the sauce
Yeah.
because
With the sauce.
the unique taste is from sauce.
Okay.
Tiens, moi, c'est galère, je vais faire comme ça.
Cheese.
It's spicy.
Spicy?
That's really good.
Yeah.
It seems like it looks like
egg.
Like what?
Like egg telur.
Okay. Tahu is something common in Indonesia. You know the taste, but with the
yeah, the sauce is really good too.
Really good, yeah.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
is one of my favorite food. You know,
Yeah.
sauce is good.
Yeah,
So, what do you think about this taste back again to tahu?
Very good.
it's really good.
Yeah.
8 or 9?
9.
9. Yay! Thank you.
The sauce is
Mm.
very good.
What do you think? 9.
Yeah.
Thank you. So, you will recommend this to
Yeah.
your friend? Yeah. Hello, what's your name?
Angeli.
Sorry?
Angeli.
Angeli. I like
Mhm.
your eyes.
Thank you.
So beautiful.
Thank
Where you from?
LA.
And you, hi.
Hi, I'm Taralyn.
Where you from?
I'm from Canada.
From Canada.
Turis-turis cantik dari Amerika dan Kanada juga akan mencoba kuliner khas Nusantara ini.
Apa?
Oh.
It's called tahu gejrot. Can you say that?
Tahu.
Tahu gejrot.
Gejrot.
Yes. Can you say that?
Tahu Gijla.
Gejrot.
Gijla.
Yeah.
Gejrot.
Grrl.
Gejrot.
Gijla.
Like,
Okay, come on.
okay.
Taste it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh wow. So good.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Do you feel that this is spicy or no?
I think it's spicy.
Spicy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, but you
very
can
good.
accept it.
I think it's really nice. It's not. No, I like it.
No, but it's the perfect amount.
Yeah. Oh god.
You get a giant piece there. Okay, sweet.
All right.
Okay.
Oh.
That's really good.
Can you give me a rate from 1 to 10 for this food?
11.
11. 11.
Definitely 11.
Yeah.
I would go get this. So I'm like, let's
Okay,
go
thank
find
you
it.
very much.
No,
You
it's
know,
really good. We really
Yeah.
like it. Yeah.
It's so difficult to find this in Bali because this food is not from Bali, from
Oh.
West Java. Okay, thank you very much for
Angeli.
Angeli and
Taralyn.
Caroline.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much to eat Indonesian traditional food.
Terima kasih
Thank you.
banyak.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Tahu Gejrot kembali membuktikan bahwa kuliner Indonesia punya cita rasa yang unik dan mendunia. Mari bersama-sama kita mendukung dan melestarikan kuliner Nusantara agar semakin dikenal, dicintai, dan dibanggakan di seluruh dunia. Jika kalian ikut mendukung agar kuliner Nusantara ingin lebih dikenal dunia, dukung channel ini dengan cara menekan tombol subscribe dan nyalakan lonceng notifikasi agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video menarik lainnya. Sampai jumpa dan selalu jaga kesehatan kalian.